Hello guys, collision regulation. Okay, rules in this section apply to vessels in sight of one another. Which rule? The answer is Rule 11, application. Okay, next question. What is Rule 12? Napakadali. The answer is sailing vessel. Okay, another question. When two sailing vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision, one of them shall keep out of the way of the other as follows. Okay. When each has the wind on different side, the vessel which has the wind on the blank shall keep out of the way of the other. The answer is port side. Another question. When two sailing vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision, one of them shall keep out of the way of the other as follows. When both have the wind on the same side, the vessel which is to blank shall keep out of the way of the other vessel which is to leeward. The answer is windward. Again, another question. When two sailing vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision, one of them shall keep out of the way of the other as follows. If a vessel with the wind on the blank sees a vessel to windward and cannot determine with certainty whether the other vessel has the wind on the port or on the starboard side, she shall keep out of the way of the other. The answer is port side. Another question. Vessels shall be deemed to be in sight of one another only when one can be blank from the other. Two words. The answer is observe visually. Another question. For the purpose of this rule, the blank shall be deemed to be the side opposite to that on which the mainsail is carried, or in the case of a square-rigged vessel, the side opposite to that on which the largest fore and aft sail is carried. The answer is windward side. Another question. What is Rule 13? Very easy. The answer is overtaking. Another question. This one will have 4 words answer. Okay. Notwithstanding anything contained in these rules of Part B, Sections 1 and 2, any blank shall keep out of the way of the vessel being overtaken. The answer is 4 words, which is vessel overtaking any other. If the answer is not complete, then it's wrong. Another question. A vessel shall be deemed to be blank, one word only, when coming up with another vessel from a direction more than 22.5 above her beam. That is in such a position when reference to the vessel she is overtaking that at night she would be able to see only the stern light of the vessel, but neither of her side lights? The answer is overtaking. That's it.